Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to start petition on change.org. Change.org gives people opportunities to connect around issues of personal importance and take action. To start petition on change.org, first open any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Then go to the search bar at top, then type www.change.org. With that, tap on the arrow icon, then you'll be taken to official website of change.org. Now here you can see the option of start petition at first. Tap on start a petition. With that, now here you need to select the scope of your petition, whether you want local, national or global label. I am going on with national. Then tap on continue. Then select the topic that best fits for your petition. To select the topic, tap on the particular topic. After that, tap on continue option. Now select how would you like to write your petition, whether you would like to start from scratch or start with generated petition draft. With this option, you will be able to write your petition using OpenAI's artificial intelligence. I am going on with start from scratch. Then tap on continue. Then here you need to first enter the petition title. After that, you can also look for the tips about how you can write your petition title. Your petition title must be within 90 words. With that, tap on continue, add down. Now here you need to tell your story and write your petition story. You can scroll down and view for tips on how you can write your petition. After that, you can tap on the given box and start writing your petition. You can also use the following features at the top so that you can edit your petition. With that, tap on continue, add down. Now here you can add an image. It is an optional choice. To add an image, you can tap on the option of upload an image. The image size must be of at least 1200 into 675 pixels. Then here you can also look for the tips to upload your picture. After that, tap on continue. With that, your petition will be ready. Now here you need to tap on create petition so that you can edit your petition anytime. After that, you can share your petition. It will help you maximize your chances to get signatures by sharing to as many different places as possible. You can either copy the link or share the petition to different social media platforms. After completing the process, you can tap on I am done sharing for now. Take me to petition dashboard. With that, here you'll be taken to the dashboard and here you can see the petition that I have just created. This is how we can start petition on change.org. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.